Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases of the Chinese small and mid-cap space at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great Chinese investments Friday, November the 6th. Typically, it's a little news cycle day, and it is. I've got one great press release for you, but it is a doozy. It's a great one. General Steel Holdings trades on the NYSE under GSI. This is one of China's leading non-state-owned steel producers. They put out their third quarter highlights. Every one of these numbers is great. Listen to this. First of all, shipment volume increased 67.2% to a record 1 million plus metric tons, just over a million metric tons. Total revenues up 17.8% to $485 million. I really like this number. Gross margin 8.2%. Last quarter, sequentially, it was 5.5%, and a year ago, in the quarter a year ago, it was 1.5%. So their margin is just exploding. Income from operations, $29 million in change. Finally, net income, $10.4 million. On a fully diluted basis, that translates into 22 cents per share. Now, let's do some extrapolation for a second. If the company can keep up those numbers, you're talking about 90 cents per share over a four-quarter period. That's assuming no growth. They can just maintain this. Why is that important? The company closed yesterday at $3.92. So at 90 cents per share in earnings, you're talking about a company trading a little under 4.5 times earnings. But it gets even better. This doesn't take into account the fact that the company, as of the end of September, had $252 million in cash and restricted cash on its balance sheet. So that makes the PE even more valuable, even more attractive, because you're buying a lot of cash for that number. So take a look. I like this company. In fact, I'm going to take a close look myself, but you should as well. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. Just one press release today, but it's a great one, and that's why you're on ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV. If you look for more great Chinese small mid-cap companies, make your way over to the front page of ChinaSecurities.com. Three things to do there. First, watch the show on a daily basis, or watch under syndicate partners if you have some preference. If you're a YouTube subscriber or a Google video watcher, it's all there for you. Two, take a look at the best press releases coming out of 320 of the best small mid-cap companies over this past week. It's just the creme de la creme, the good stuff, and we've separated by industry so you can get all caught up even if you missed a couple of days. And finally, make your way into our directory. That's where we're tracking all 320 companies there. We've got them listed. We've got great succinct descriptions of each one, and you can filter the list by industry and exchange so you can quickly find the one that best suits your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday.